Hey, what's up, homies? Hope you're doing good and keeping yourself safe. My name is Swapnil, and as you might have guessed from the title, we would be doing a journey of Pune to Hampi. Our first stop would be Vijapur. Today is 22nd of Jan, and right now it's almost quarter to 7. So let's begin. When we started off from Pune on Solapur Highway, we felt a sense of excitement due to cold morning breeze, fresh air, very less traffic, and most importantly, the beautifully smooth roads with almost no potholes. Yes, you heard it right, no potholes. The joy of riding without thinking about the road condition was just different altogether. The road condition is excellent till Solapur, after which there are a lot of speed breakers till Vijapur due to road repairs and divergence. However, the overall experience was fantastic. If you are starting from Pune, then you will need to take the Solapur road through Pull Gate in camp and head towards Solapur through highway. While heading towards Vichapur, I would recommend to head straight to Solapur through highway and not to listen to the Google Maps in any case by going towards Pandharpur through Temburni turn because the roads are not so great there. Taking Solapur highway might cost you 25 more kilometers, but at the end you won't regret it. We stopped at Deshpande Veg at Indapur for breakfast. It's on highway just after crossing Indapur, but it's at prime location. One must try the puri bhaji there. It's pretty delicious. Once you reach near Solapur, you will have to pass through Solapur city only because there is no alternate way which could help you to skip the city. You might want to take the help of Google Maps in this case inside Solapur to again be back on the highway towards Vijapur. In this 95 kilometers or highway from Solapur to Vijapur, you might have a bit of a bad time for 30 to 40 kilometers because of the limitless speed breakers. There are almost 2 to 3 speed breakers in every kilometer, if not less. But the road condition is good. The total distance from Pune to Vijapur is almost 350 to 360 kilometers. Hey, hi once again, everyone. So we reached Vijapur yesterday. We stayed at Kiriyar Hotel. However, today we would be seeing the places around here. I would be taking the video of that as well. About Kiriyar Hotel, pretty good hotel, recommendable. Yesterday, due to work commitments, we had to turn on our laptops and start working, unfortunately. But yes, the Wi-Fi range is pretty good, the speed is pretty good. Just unfortunately last time or we can say in the evening the Wi-Fi stopped working just for 1 hour, but I believe that might be a one-time issue, so I would give a benefit of doubt to that problem. But overall pretty good experience, very neat and tidy rooms, pretty good customer service I would say. And about recommendation, I would 100% recommend this hotel. It's pretty good, you can look at it. So let's begin seeing the places. See you there.